You've likely noticed a growing trend of using drones for last-mile deliveries. From food to retail purchases to medical supplies, drones are becoming an increasingly popular and efficient way to get items into customers' hands quickly. Perhaps you've thought to yourself, I could do that. Well, you absolutely can, with the right knowledge and approach. This emerging industry offers immense opportunities for those willing to take the plunge. By the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of what it takes to launch a successful drone delivery venture. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's start with the basics. What is a drone courier delivery business? Close your eyes and imagine a world where your online orders or essential supplies arrive to your doorstep not by road, but by air, swiftly and seamlessly, like a bird in flight. This is the exciting reality that drone courier delivery businesses are bringing to life, leveraging cutting-edge technology to redefine the boundaries of logistics and customer convenience. At the heart of these innovative ventures lies a fleet of sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones, meticulously designed to navigate the skies with precision and efficiency. Outfitted with specialized cargo compartments and state-of-the-art GPS system, these drones are the aerial couriers of the modern age, capable of transporting packages, documents, and even time-sensitive medical supplies with unparalleled speed and reliability. But what truly sets drone courier delivery businesses apart is their ability to transcend the limitations of traditional ground-based deliveries. No longer constrained to gridlocked streets or winding routes, these airborne emissaries take to the skies, charting direct courses to their destinations, defying traffic and distance to bring your orders to you in record time. Imagine the convenience of having your piping hot pizza or freshly prepared meal delivered straight to your doorstep, still steaming and tantalizing your senses, without the customary wait. Or envision the peace of mind that comes with knowing your vital medication or medical supplies are mere moments away, thanks to the swift and reliable service of Drone Courier. Beyond speed and convenience, these businesses also prioritize environmental sustainability, harnessing the power of electrical propulsion to minimize their carbon footprint. With each delivery, they contribute to a greener future, reducing emissions and noise pollution while setting an example for responsible corporate citizenship. This process is seamless and user-friendly. With a few taps on your smartphone or a click on your preferred e-commerce platform, you can summon a drone courier to your location, providing delivery instructions and tracking its progression in real time. Highly trained pilots and supervisors monitor every flight, ensuring safety and employing contingency plans for any unforeseen circumstances. Upon arrival, the drone gracefully lowers your package to the designated drop-off point, and you receive an instant notification, signaling the successful completion of your delivery. It's a moment of wonder and delight, as the skies above become the gateway to the world of convenience and innovation. From bustling cities to remote rural areas, drone courier delivery businesses are poised to revolutionize the way we receive goods and services. Whether you're a busy professional seeking efficiency, a health-conscious individual valuing prompt access to vital supplies, or someone who appreciates the marvelous and modern technology, these businesses are opening new horizons, one aerial delivery at a time. But is there a market for drone delivery? The drone delivery market is rapidly emerging as a lucrative opportunity with immense growth potential. According to the market analysis report, the global drone delivery market size is estimated to reach a staggering $1.75 billion by 2029, growing at an impressive compound annual growth rate of 20.33% during the forecast period of 24 and 29. This projected growth is fueled by the increasing demand for drone delivery services globally and implementation of favorable policies by various countries to support the operation of drones in their airspace. One of the key drivers propelling the growth of the drone delivery market is the retail and logistics segment. A report indicates this segment is expected to dominate the market during the forecast period to the increased demand for drones to deliver parcels, packages, and last-mile deliveries for retailers, e-commerce providers, logistics companies, and postal services. This convenience and speed offered by drone delivery has made it an attractive solution for those industries. For these industries, where timely and efficient delivery is paramount. Major players in the e-commerce and logistics industries such as Amazon, UPS, and DHL have been at the forefront of this revolution, investing in developing and deploying their fleet of delivery drones. Amazon, for instance, has been testing drones under its Prime Air brand, aiming to provide drone deliveries to customers within a 10-mile radius of its fulfillment center across the United States. Similarly, UPS has been testing drones that can be launched from delivery vehicles, allowing drivers to deliver more packages while saving on fuel costs. The market reports also highlight the Asian Pacific region as the fastest growing market for drone delivery during the forecast period. Countries like China, South Korea, and India are witnessing a surge in drone delivery operations, driven by changing regulations, government support, and the growing demand of efficient last-mile delivery solutions. China, in particular, is the largest market of delivery drones due to the increased operations by major e-commerce companies like JD.com and Alibaba Group. The Chinese government has issued a new specification for express delivery service by unmanned aircraft to improve last-mile delivery services and promote the development of intelligent aerial logistics in the urban air mobility industry. Other countries in the Asia-Pacific region are also actively exploring drone delivery services. For instance, in South Korea, Sky Sports Drone Services partnered with Rigitech to launch a project aimed at delivering pharmaceuticals and foodstuffs between islands using drones, supported by the Korean government and local authorities. Similarly, the Indian government is working on developing drone corridors to promote cargo delivery services, further boosting the growth of the market in the region. While the drone delivery market presents significant opportunities, the report also highlights some challenges that need to be addressed. Strict airspace regulations, certifications, manufacturing standards, and complex licensing procedures across major countries can hinder market growth. Additionally, drone original equipment manufacturers face challenges in importing and exporting UAVs and their components due to strict regulations. However, increased investment towards the development and integration of beyond visual line of sight capabilities into drones are expected to open up new opportunities. BVLOS capabilities will allow companies to cover far greater distances, expanding the scope of drone delivery services and unlocking new market segments. When it comes to drone delivery, there are a few big names really soaring above the rest. Now let's take a look at the top 3 players dominating this space. Amazon's Prime Air. Amazon has been the pioneer pushing drone delivery into mainstream consciousness. Their Prime Air initiative has been years in the making, with development centers across the US, UK, Austria, France, and Israel working on building and testing the technology. In 2020, Amazon got the critical FAA approval to use its Prime Air drones for commercial deliveries to customers. With Prime's massive customer base, Amazon is set up to make drone delivery a game changer if they can pull it off seamlessly. UPS Flight Forward. The logistic giant UPS has its own dedicated drone delivery subsidiary called Flight Forward. These folks mean business. They were the first company to get the full federal approval to operate a real drone airline in the US back in 2019. UPS has partnered up with the drone maker Manna to deliver medical supplies to hospitals and even prescription meds in team-ups with CVS. With UPS's incredible logistics experience, they could end up being the one to fully integrate drones into existing shipping networks. Wing. The Alphabet/Google subsidiary has been working on a drone delivery service since 2012. Wing's drones are designed to drop off small packages under 3 pounds by lowering them down a tether about 20 feet from the ground. They've pulled off over 100,000 commercial deliveries so far across the US, Finland, and Australia. With the resources of Google behind them, Wing is a powerful player that can be innovating its drone tech and delivering operations. Those are the three titans leading the charge in getting drones to bring us our stuff. Number-wise, Amazon is still the heavyweight revenue leader, but UPS and Wing are formidable players with strategic advantages of their own. So one thing is clear, the drone delivery market presents a promising opportunity for businesses and entrepreneurs alike. With the growing demand for faster and more efficient delivery services, coupled with the support of favorable policies and regulations, the drone delivery industry is poised for substantial growth in the coming years. By addressing the challenges and leveraging the latest technological advancements, companies can position themselves as pioneers in this emerging market and capitalize on the vast potential it offers. Now that we've established the what and the why behind drone delivery businesses, I want to show you the practical steps involved in getting your venture off the ground. 1. Legal documentation. Before anything else, you need to thoroughly research and understand the legal and regulatory landscape surrounding commercial drone operations in your area. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration is the governing body that oversees drone regulation. As of May 2024, the FAA requires all commercial drone pilots to obtain a remote pilot certificate by passing the Aeronautical Knowledge Test. This certification ensures the pilot understands the rules, regulations, and best practices for safe drone operation. Remote pilot certification. All commercial drone pilots must obtain the remote pilot certification by passing the Aeronautical Knowledge Test and vetting process. Operational limitations. Drones must remain within the visual line of sight of the pilot, fly below 400 feet, and avoid flying over people or moving vehicles unless certified for such operations. Airspace regulations. Drones are prohibited from flying in certain areas, such as near airports, over national parks, or in restricted military airspaces. Registration and marketing. All drones weighing over 0.55 pounds must be registered with the FAA and display a unique registration number. In India, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation under the Ministry of Civil Aviation is the regulatory body governing drone operations. The DGCA has established the civil aviation requirements for drones, which outlines the framework of their certification, operation, and maintenance. Some key regulations for commercial drone operations in India include obtaining a remote pilot training organization approval or remote pilot instructor authorization for training drone pilots, acquiring an unmanned aircraft operations permit for commercial drone operations, registration and marking of drones with unique identification numbers, restrictions on flying in certain zones such as near airports, military installations, and high security areas, requirements for insurance and liability coverage, limitations on payload weight, altitude, and line of sight operations. Additionally, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the local laws and ordinance that may impact drone operations in your intended service area. Some municipalities have restrictions on where drones can fly, while others require specific permits or licenses for commercial operations. It's crucial to stay up to date on these regulations as they evolve, as non-compliance can result in hefty fines or even legal action. The DGCA has been actively working on developing a comprehensive regulatory framework for drone operations, including provisions for beyond visual line of sight flights and operations over populated areas. 2. Business plan and financing. Like any new venture, starting a drone delivery business requires a comprehensive business plan. This document should outline your company's mission, target market, service offered, pricing strategy, operational details, and financial projections. Your business plan will also serve as a roadmap for securing the necessary funding to get your operation off the ground. Depending on the scale of your ambitions, you may need to explore options such as small business loans, angel investors, or venture capital funding. When pitching to potential investors, be prepared to highlight the unique value proposition for your drone delivery service and the market opportunity you aim to capture. One successful example is Flytrex, an Israeli drone delivery startup raised $9.3 million in Series B funding in 2021. Their business plan focused on providing efficient and cost-effective last-mile delivery solutions for food, retail, and e-commerce industries, leveraging cutting-edge drone technology and strategic partnership with major retailers. 3. Equipment and infrastructure. At the heart of any drone delivery business is the actual equipment for the drones themselves, along with the necessary supporting infrastructure. When selecting drones for your fleet, consider factors such as payload capacity, flight time, range, and weather resistance. Industry-leading manufacturers like DJI, Parrot, and Autel Robotics offer a variety of commercial-grade drones suitable for delivery operations. Beyond the drones, you'll also need to invest in a secure and reliable command center from which to manage flight operations. This typically involves setting up a dedicated space with computer communication systems and software for flight planning, tracking, and monitoring. You'll need to establish a network of strategically located landing pads or designated delivery zones throughout your service area. These should be carefully chosen to ensure safe and efficient package handoffs to customers. One innovative example is Wingcopter, a German company that has developed specialized drone delivery stations designed for seamless integration into existing logistic networks. These modular stations can be easily deployed in various locations, enabling efficient hub-to-hub drone deliveries. 4. Operational processes. Once you have the necessary equipment and infrastructure in place, it's time to establish robust operational processes to ensure smooth and seamless delivery services. This includes developing protocols for package handling, loading and unloading drones, flight planning and routing, and real-time monitoring of drone operations. You'll also need to implement rigorous safety measures such as redundant systems, fail-safe mechanisms, and emergency response procedures. One key consideration is how customers will interact with your service. Will they place orders through a dedicated app or website? How will they provide delivery instructions and receive notifications? These customer-facing processes need to be seamless and user-friendly. Manna, an Irish delivery drone company, has successfully implemented an end-to-end operational model that includes a mobile app for customers to place orders, automated drone dispatch and routing, and a network of secure landing zones for package drop-offs. Their attention to detail in designing a cohesive customer experience has been a significant factor in their success. 5. Partnership and integrations. To truly thrive in the drone delivery space, it's advantageous to explore strategic partnerships and integrations with other businesses and service providers. For example, partnering with local restaurants, retailers, or e-commerce companies can provide a steady stream of delivery orders and help establish your brand as a reliable logistic partner. These businesses may also be willing to co-market or cross-promote your service to their customer base. Integration with existing logistic networks and last-mile delivery providers can open new revenue streams and expand your service reach. By offering drone delivery as a complementary service, you can leverage the existing infrastructure and company base of established players in the industry. A prime example of successful integration is Walmart's partnership with DroneUp, a nationwide drone service provider. Walmart has been utilizing DroneUp's drone delivery service to transport selected items from its stores to customers' homes, capitalizing on the speed and convenience of drone technology while leveraging its existing retail footprint. Ongoing aspects that you should keep in mind. Starting a drone delivery business is just the beginning of an exciting journey. As your operation grows and evolves, there are several ongoing considerations to keep in mind. Scaling and expansions. As demand for your service increases, you'll need to strategically plan for scaling your drone fleet, expanding your service area, and potentially opening additional operational hubs or command centers. This may involve securing additional funding, hiring and training more drone pilots and support staff, and navigating the regulatory landscape in new regions and municipalities. Companies like Wing, a subsidiary of Alphabet, Google's parent company, have successfully scaled their drone delivery operations with pilot programs to serving multiple metropolitan areas across the United States and Australia. Their methodical approach to expansion, coupled with robust operational processes, has been key to their growth. Technology advancements. The drone delivery industry is still in its infancy, and technology advancements are happening at a rapid pace. It's essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in drone hardware, software, and supporting technologies like battery life improvements, autonomous flight capabilities, and advanced sensors and cameras. Investing in research and development and partnering with technology companies can help ensure that your business remains at the forefront of innovation and maintains a competitive edge. The drone courier delivery industry presents an exciting and promising opportunity for entrepreneurs and forward-thinking businesses. By harnessing cutting-edge drone technology and leveraging innovative operation models, you can revolutionize the way goods and services are delivered, offering unparalleled speed, convenience, and sustainability to customers across various sectors. As you start your service, it's essential to lay a solid foundation by thoroughly researching and complying with the relevant regulations governing drone operations in your region. From obtaining the necessary certifications and permits to navigating local laws and ordinances, a meticulous approach to compliance will not only ensure the legality of your operations, but also prioritize safety and foster public trust. Beyond the regulatory landscape, successful drone delivery businesses must also prioritize environmental sustainability and social responsibility. By adopting eco-friendly practices, investing in renewable energy sources, and implementing ethical data practices, you can position your venture as a responsible corporate citizen, appealing to conscious customers and stakeholders. Proactive community engagement and transparent communication are crucial to addressing public concerns and fostering acceptance of drone delivery services. By hosting educational events, partnering with local organizations, and demonstrating a commitment to safety and responsible operations, you can build trust and support among residents, paving the way for smoother expansion and adoption. As the drone delivery market continues to evolve and mature, staying ahead of technological advancements and industry trends will be paramount. Investing in research and developing, exploring strategic partnerships, and innovation will help ensure that your business remains at the forefront of an exciting industry. The journey ahead may be challenging, but the rewards are immense. By pioneering the future of logistics and redefining the boundaries of customer convenience, your drone courier delivery business has the potential to leave an undeniable mark on the way we transport goods and services. Use this opportunity, navigate the complexities with determination and foresight, and soar to new heights of success in this burgeoning drone delivery industry. And as we wrap up this video, one thing is clear. Software and AI have an immense capability to capitalize business growth. If exceptional growth is your goal, you can help make it a reality. Innovation, excellence, satisfaction. At IdeaUsher, these values drive our app development service from start to finish. With a track record of delivering exceptional apps that resonate with audiences, we stand by our commitment to excellence. Our innovative solutions, client-centric approach, and agile methods set us apart. Whether you need an app concept brought to life or to alleviate the existing app, rely on our full-cycle development service for app success. Work with the leading expert to keep innovation, excellence, and your satisfaction at the forefront. Bring your mobile vision into the future with IdeaUsher. Contact us today and get started on your next innovative app development project.